We'll guide you through how to sign out of Gmail on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on an iPhone, and so you want to go and sign out of Gmail. This may be the Gmail app, or alternatively, it may be the Mail app. Perhaps you no longer use that Gmail account, and so you no longer want it. Perhaps it was for like an old work or old school, which is why you want to go and log it and sign it out. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this. So to go and get started, what you need to do is come and open up Gmail like so. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and press your profile icon in the top right. You can go and see the option for switch account. Now, I've actually got multiple Gmail accounts in here as well. So when we expand that, we can then go and see the option for manage accounts on this device, and you're going to go and see the different ones. So to go and log it out, we're going to go and remove it. So you can choose the account, and then what you can do is go and press remove from this device and confirm the decision. It says this account and any unsaved data will be removed from Gmail and any other Google apps on this device. That's important to know. It applies to other Google apps as well. That's it. We've now gone and successfully logged and signed out of the Gmail app. If it is the Mail app, what you need to do is you need to go and open up your settings. At the bottom, you can press search and go and type in Mail and find Mail apps, find Mail accounts, find the Gmail you want to do it with. Then what you can do is go down and press delete account. Don't worry, you aren't deleting it. You're just deleting it and removing its data from your iPhone. Confirm the decision, and that's it.